Alright mate, let's look at flow here. Now, it's interesting. I don't really like the fact that it's, it's still very bearish. I think it, even if this was the bottom, it's not gonna just V-shape back up. I don't think. It's very unlikely. It did do it here. To do it again, it's unlikely. It's red on the daily for a start. Here you at least had a little bit of a doji, and there was a deviation below the low. Now this is potentially a stop hunt right down here of the previous lows, but it just does not look like a bottom to me just yet. I would at very least trade a new 3-day candle right in here, and you can see here where you got that pump back up. That's a decent move. Let's look at that actually. 25% move. That's what I would be doing. I would be watching this on a new 3-day candle, and if that flips green just like it did back here, that's when I would be trading it. I would let this just close today. No need to FOMO, and then trade that new 3-day candle. To me, it does not look like this is bottomed yet. To me, this is a bearish retest of resistance, and it failed, and now it wants to roll over. How much is it going to roll over? I'm not sure, but there may be some sort of bounce back up here, just like it did here. So that's the way I would play it. If red on a new 3-day, there's no need to be in this.